Hello, this is Cooking with Kurt, and today I'm going to show you how to make a modern British classic sticky toffee pudding. Basically, it's a sponge cake made with dates, smothered in a sticky toffee sauce and served with a dollop of cream. The first step is to pick 2 1/4 cups of dried dates, chop them up and put them in a heat-proof bowl. Then pour 2 1/4 cups of boiling water over the dates, add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, stir it around, cover the bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius for those of us using the metric system. Butter a 9 by 13 inch pan and line the bottom with a fitted rectangular piece of parchment paper. After the dates have been sitting in hot water for 30 minutes, puree the mixture in a blender or food processor until it's smooth. Then take a large mixing bowl, add 8 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar and mix them together. Then whisk in 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then stir in 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, the pureed dates from earlier and pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. We're going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Let the sponge cake cool on a rack, and in the meantime we'll make the sticky toffee sauce. Take a large saucepan, add another 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, combine them over medium heat and bring to a simmer. When it starts to simmer, cook it down for about 10 minutes or so until the mixture thickens up. When it looks like this, remove it from the heat and stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of bourbon and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Brilliant. And that's it. To serve it, just cut the sponge cake into squares and onto a plate. Drizzle each square with a sticky toffee sauce, add a dash of kosher salt and a dollop of fresh whipped cream. That looks absolutely spectacular. Delicious, sticky toffee pudding. If you'd like to watch how to make fresh whipped cream, have a look at my pumpkin pie video over here, starting at the 3 minutes 20-second mark. Let me know in the comment section below if you're planning to make the sticky toffee pudding. If you've enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt. Cheers!